Hi, this is 11 Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2011 Volkswagen Golf, stock number 6909. This ran from the 10th 2008 to 3rd 2013. Has a CAXA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a CAXA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 15-inch factory Omega tyre. Left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 15-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear 15-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front headlight needs polish, right front 15-inch factory Omega tyre, front bonnet, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,